everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Edmarys, and this video is going to be a little bit different because we are going to be playing around with makeup. I wanted to share with you guys my everyday kind of glamish natural makeup look, which is this look right here. It is very easy to recreate and it feels very nice on the skin. Although I do have a full face of makeup, it looks very natural, which is the kind of makeup that I gravitate towards. If you guys want to see how I do my makeup, then let's go ahead and get started. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with foundation. I already filled in my eyebrows off camera because it just takes me a little longer to fill in my brows, and I just don't think it's a very fun step in my makeup routine. My eyebrows are tattooed. I did a vlog on it, so I will post it if you guys are interested in seeing that. However, she wouldn't let me film the actual process of her tattooing the brows on, so just keep that in mind. But anyways, my brows are already filled in, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off with foundation. The foundation that I have been using lately is this one by NARS. I love it so much. My skin has definitely been changing. I don't know if it's the weather or if it's because I'm aging. This one is very watery, so it is recommended on the package that you apply it with your fingers. So that's how I've been doing it, and I love it. But I really do like this foundation. So if you're someone who's a little bit on the dry side, this one is really good. So it has been getting a little, I do about 2 pumps on my hands. It has been getting a little hot here now because the weather has been so crazy. It has been really cool, and which I really like. I definitely appreciate some cool weather. But yeah, my skin just didn't know how to react to it. We haven't had any humidity. It's definitely getting hotter now. I think it's like 82 today. So it's definitely starting to warm up, but we haven't had any humidity, which has been awesome. But my skin just changed completely, and I started to get dry, like dry patches, and I just didn't know how to handle it because I've been oily all my life. So when I started to get like dry patches and then my skin, it was just so weird. I didn't know what to do, so I had to buy different makeup and different skincare products to like figure out what now works for my skin. But yeah, this foundation is awesome. I love it so much. I'm filming with natural daylight, so hopefully the lighting is okay. For concealer, I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape. I use the shade Light Neutral. I'm running out of this concealer, so I have to get another one. I am trying to find one that's a little bit more moisturizing, but I do love this one, so I am going to rebuy this one. I think in a different shade, but I am in the lookout for a more moisturizing under eye concealer. So if you guys know of one, let me know. I don't go all out with concealer. I don't do, like, I really just do them like the bare minimum. So I apply a little bit. To me, this is a little bit. And that's it. I don't do like the middle of my face and I just don't do any of that. Not for like every day. If I go out, then yeah, so I could bring light to those areas. But for every day, I just stick to the under eye. I blend that out, and then I also put it on top of the eye just to cover up those little veins. So I switched beauty sponges to the Real Techniques ones because it's a lot softer. The red one that I was using is from Morphe, and it is so stiff. I was trying it out, but I think I will stick to either the Beauty Blender or this one. This one is really good, and it's really affordable. You don't gotta pay 20 bucks for it. Okay, once I have the concealer blended out, I am going to go in with my Mercier Secret Brightening Powder. I really do like this powder. I like the way it goes underneath the eyes, and it makes everything look nice and smooth. The only thing I don't like about this is that if you are planning on going out and taking photos, this has a really bright flashback and it doesn't look cute. It just, for photos, this is not the way to go. But for like every day, if you're not planning on taking any pictures, it's a really nice brightening powder. For bronzer, I have been using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I really do like this bronzer. I just bought it. Ulta had that 21-day Ulta sale where things are like half off, and this was 15 bucks. It retails for 30, and it's really, really nice. The one that I was using before was from Benefit, the Hoola bronzer, and I started to break out like on this area. So I got rid of the bronzer that I was using, and I got rid of my blush because I didn't know what it was. So I take this brush from Real Techniques. I just swerve it in there and I bronze up a little bit. I'm not someone who likes a chiseled contour, but I do like to look bronzy. Bring it around the hairline. And this shade is so nice because it's easily buildable. It's just a really pretty color. I really like this bronzer a lot. I wish I would have bought 2 of them. For blush, I'm going to use this one by Milani. It is in the shade Blossom Time Rose. And it is a really pretty pinky mauve shade, and it has a little bit of shimmer. I'm going to go back in with the bronzer, and I'm going to apply a little bit of this on my crease. You can see the difference. It's very slight, very subtle, but you can definitely tell the difference. For highlights, I am going to go in with the Jeffree Star 24 Karat Pro Palette. Jeffree Star highlighters and Becca are my top 2 favorite for highlighters. The quality is just amazing. I really like the way highlighter looks on the tip of the nose, but I'm going to avoid that today because I know in a little bit I'm going to start getting shiny around this area. So I'm just going to avoid any highlights right here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of mascara and some lashes off camera. For mascara, I'm going to use the Benefit Roller Lash. This mascara is bomb. I love it so much. And then for lashes, I'm going to use these Kiss lashes. These are awesome. They are one of my everyday lashes. Okay, so lashes are on. I'm going to move on to the lips. And my everyday favorite lip color lipstick, Liquid Lip, is this one by NYX. It is such a pretty color. It is such a perfect formula for someone like me who has very dry, chapped lips. This is my everyday shade, which is also my favorite, and it is in shade 04, Soft Spoken. How gorgeous is this shade? I love it. So this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in the next one.